Welcome to Acer Showroom, your digital destination for the latest in motorcycles, gear, and off-road adventures. In today's episode, we are diving into the rugged world of dual sport machines with an in-depth look at the all-new 2026 Kawasaki KLX 230 Sherpa S ABS. Whether you're an experienced trail rider or a new enthusiast looking for your first bike, this machine offers a lot to get excited about. Let's break it down. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 KLX 230 Sherpa S is a reliable, air-cooled, 233 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine. This single-cylinder powerplant is designed for smooth torque delivery and consistent performance, making it ideal for both casual street riding and weekend trail adventures. Thanks to its fuel injection system and refined engine tuning, riders can expect a responsive throttle and easy startup in a variety of conditions. The Sherpa S offers a balanced ride that feels capable without being overwhelming, especially for new riders or those looking for a dependable daily explorer. Chassis and suspension. What sets the Sherpa S apart is its well-balanced chassis and trail-ready suspension setup. The frame is lightweight yet strong, engineered for maneuverability and rider confidence. With long-travel suspension 37mm telescopic forks up front and a unitrack single shock in the rear, the KLX 230 Sherpa S can handle rocks, ruts, and rough surfaces without breaking a sweat. Ground clearance is generous, giving riders the freedom to take on technical trails while still maintaining street-legal functionality. Street-ready features and ABS. The 2026 Sherpa S comes fully equipped for road use with LED lighting, digital instrumentation, and, most notably, dual-channel ABS as standard. This feature enhances braking control in slippery or unpredictable conditions, adding peace of mind for both urban and off-road environments. The Sherpa S ABS system is specially calibrated for dual-sport riding, offering better stopping power without sacrificing traction on dirt. It's a clear sign that Kawasaki is thinking about real-world riding conditions. Ergonomics and rider comfort. One of the most rider-friendly aspects of the KLX 230 Sherpa S is its approachable seat height and ergonomic layout. At just under 34 inches, the seat is accessible to a wide range of riders while still offering ample suspension travel. The upright riding position and wide handlebars ensure excellent visibility and control, whether you're commuting through city streets or climbing narrow trails. The foot pegs and controls are also well placed for comfort and stability, even during longer rides. Design and style. Kawasaki's 2026 model sports a minimalist, adventure-focused design that's both functional and attractive. With fresh graphics and subtle updates to the bodywork, the Sherpa S maintains the rugged charm of its KLX lineage while introducing a slightly more refined appearance. It's the kind of bike that looks just as good on a muddy trail as it does parked in front of your favorite coffee shop. Who is this bike for? The KLX 230 Sherpa S ABS is clearly designed for riders who crave versatility. It's perfect for beginners who want to explore off-road without the intimidation of larger machines. But it also appeals to experienced riders looking for a dependable, lightweight dual sport that won't break the bank. Whether you're tackling forest trails, gravel roads, or daily traffic, this bike offers flexibility, safety, and fun in a single package. The 2026 Kawasaki KLX 230 Sherpa S ABS stands out as a smart, capable, and confidence-inspiring dual sport machine. With its updated safety features, approachable design, and off-road DNA, it's ready to take on whatever terrain you throw at it. If you're in the market for a do-it-all bike that brings performance and peace of mind, the Sherpa S might just be your next ride. Thanks for joining us at Acer Showroom. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a ride review, bike launch, or gear breakdown. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the KLX 230 Sherpa S ABS or what bike you'd like to see next.